We have two types of chamomile. We have Roman chamomile and we have German chamomile. The most common and the safest for children is the Roman chamomile, which is Chamomilium nobile. German chamomile is a lot more expensive and has an extraordinarily peculiar aroma. Not that pleasant in my view, but then it's obviously I don't need it. Chamomilium matricaria is German chamomile, and if I just show you, the German chamomile comes out as very blue, so it is bright blue in its colour, and this blue colour comes from a chemical called camazulene. Camazulene is very anti-inflammatory, and it's the best anti-inflammatory that we have. And it's marvellous for people who have skin cancer, any really nasty inflammation. But we wouldn't normally put it on the skin neat, we'd dilute it, because it can be skin irritant with some people. So German chamomile, more expensive, does come from Germany, but it has a higher level of anti-inflammatory in it. Roman chamomile is much more common, and it comes from the Asteraceae family, and it is the safest to use on children. In a very diluted way, we can use Roman chamomile for insomnia, to help relax and calm a fractious child. It's very, very good for skin conditions, so any rashes or allergies. A little bit like lavender, you can use it on the skin, but it has to be diluted, either in an oil, as we said, or in a white lotion. But it is very, very relaxing and soothing and calming. It's a sedative and a good tonic for the skin. So you can use it in the bath, or you can use it in a topical application, or you can even burn it in a vaporizer. Sometimes in a room where a child is having difficulty